Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to show you how to sign up with Skylom. It's another kind of like Baymack, but it's like a gaming that you have to. It's kind of like Baymack, but I'll show you pretty much what you got to do. So I'm just going to get right into it. Here we go. Now, what you want to do is go into your Chrome or Google. I usually go into Google. Just type in Skylom. Alright, now this is Skylom. Continue. Alright, so now this is pretty much what you do is just to earn, all you gotta do is just watch the 60 seconds, 90 seconds, 96 seconds. But I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video just so that you can see what needs to be done, but you need to watch videos, and I'll go ahead and pause it. Alright, pretty much watch the end of the video, and now you need to guess what kind of category it was. So I'm pretty much thinking that the category might be a vlog. Now see, you got a correct one, and you moved on to the next video. And pretty much that's pretty much all you do. And then you keep on earning, and then if you earn a certain amount, you get coins. You get coins to give more. Let's see what kind of this is just all the stuff that you could win. 1,000 coins. So you got 1 coin for a prize. And you can invite people and everything. But yeah, that's invite. Let you get a little bit known about this, learn more. That's how you, this is pretty much, you put in your email address, or you can just copy that link, and you could post it to Facebook, Messenger, or anything like that. But yeah, you just you keep adding. I don't know if you can see that. See how many coins I got? You just keep on adding up coins, and that's pretty much how you can get stuff. I have 3 coins. So what this means is you just keep watching videos, keep watching videos, keep watching videos. And then when you get up to 10,000 coins, you can get PayPal, a gift card for PayPal. And see, if you get up to 20 coins, you can get 2 cents, but you get $1 for 600 coins, and it just keeps on going up from there. So I'm at 3 coins right now, but it's just pretty much, that's just how you gotta do it. You just gotta watch videos and just get those coins up. That's pretty much what this video is you can put what video this is. This would be what category. This would be pretty much none. You go on to the next one, and you just keep doing this, keep doing this, keep doing this, keep doing this, and just keep watching videos, just keep watching videos, adding up those coins, and then you get into the big bucks, $25 gift card. But check this out. If you use this link, I'm going to leave in the descriptions below. I found out more. Share the link. You can earn more coins from doing more referrals. Happy coin collecting.